What? What do you want? What do you when you're bad, you don't get it, do you? Were you a good girl or bad girl? Juno, tell me. Speak to me. Yeah. Well, you was a bad girl, right? Yes, you were. When I came home, you jumped on me. That's bad. So you not get one tonight, right? You can't have one.
She's throwing a temper tantrum.
You can't have one. When I come in the door and you jump up, you don't get your treat. Right? No, it doesn't matter how good you are now. It's too late. And then, what else did you do? You growled at Mama. Mama D don't get growled at. Nah, that don't matter.
She's like, I'm sorry.
What are you supposed to get? Tell me. Yeah. But what'd you do wrong? Tell me. That's right. Ah, that's your treats. That's what you're looking at. You're saying I'm supposed to get one. But you're a bad girl, so you can't have one tonight. Okay? Tomorrow? God bless you. No chewing your food. Tomorrow you get one, okay? Here. Come here. Yeah. Silly. What are you going to be tomorrow? You going to be a good girl tomorrow? Show me what you want. Ah, you're nipping. Bad.
She's throwing a temper tantrum is what she's doing.
Nice. Be nice. You can bite the floor. You're not going to get very far. Usually every night you get one, don't you? But when you're bad, you don't get one. Be mad at yourself. Yeah.